Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing today? I hope you're doing great. If you're new here, my name is Ndem and you're so welcome. But if you're a returning subscriber, hey, how are you doing? I hope you all are doing great. On today's video, I'll be doing this makeup look. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, then keep watching. Let's get started. Okay guys, I'm starting by moisturizing my face, and I'm going to be applying a generous amount of the moisturizer because my face is really dry. So I'll be applying like a generous amount of the moisturizer on my face. Then I'll just use my hands to rub it onto my face and making sure it really penetrate my skin well. You can also use a brush for this, but I like using my hands because it does me well. After making sure that it has penetrated well into my skin, I'll go in with my primer. The primer I'm using is from Maybelline. It's actually a hydrating primer, and I will also be applying a generous amount of it. Then going in with my hands again to rub it into my skin. Then I'll go in again with the highlight primer to apply it on the areas where I will usually highlight on my face. This will help the finished look to really pop out, like applying the highlight under your foundation. It will not be too pronounced, but you will really have that glow on your face. Just going with my fingers and rub that into my skin. Like guys, you can see how my face is glowing even before applying my foundation. Now I'll be going in with my foundation. This foundation is from Juvia's Place in the shade Zaria. I'll be using this foundation brush to apply it onto my face. After making sure that I've applied everything nice and clean, I'll go ahead and use my sponge, and the sponge is actually damp, and blend the foundation into my skin. Okay guys, if you've watched up to this point, kindly hit the like button so others can see this video. Thank you. Going in right now with my concealer to just highlight my face, and the concealer I'm using is actually close to the foundation color because I don't really want it too pronounced, so that's why I'm going in with a concealer that is close to the color of the foundation. I'll go in again with a sponge. This time around I'll be using the other side, the side of the sponge that I didn't use on the foundation. And I went ahead and sprayed it with a little bit of water. Then I'll just use it to blend in the concealer. So while blending, I make sure I blend one side of it until it's well blended before I go to the other side, so I will not need to go back on it to blend again. So now I'm just going in with my setting powder to set the concealer. Hey guys, I'll not be letting it sit on my face. I'll just apply it, then use my brush to brush it off. Then I'll be using my loose powder. It's actually a darker shade for my skin. I'll be using it to contour my face. Like guys, pardon me for the lighting of this video. I'm actually using natural light. That's why you see the changes in the lighting, and there was sun, and it's making the video to have a lot of light. I've tried so hard to reduce the lighting, but that's what it is. Sorry. Okay guys, after contouring, I'll just go ahead and do my eyebrows. Okay guys, the rest of the process I'll just let you watch because I've been talking too much. Okay guys, this is the final look. Tell me what you think about this makeup look in the comment section. That was it for today's video. I want to thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and turn on your notification bell so anytime I post a new video you won't miss out. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.